welcome back to Cruise Tycoon. In today's video, we're just gonna be trying to see what we can improve and yes, we are trying to actually do this. Okay. Hey. So this is our company, Titanic 2. And we named our ship to SS Black Barrel. Oh, now we are going to just give you a quick tour of the ship if you haven't seen it. So this is just a normal layout of the ship. You can see you got hot tubs over there and some solar panels. And on the inside, here's the empty bridge. Over here, we have Life Out Pie, which is actually a pizzeria. You got ovens. You got chairs for enough of the passengers. You've got a taco stand. That's it for this deck. Heading down here, we have the cabins. They're all single cabins, unfortunately. Let me go into edit mode just to show. So there's also some plants between it. And then if you want to go down one more, you reach the entertainment level. Over here, you got a bowling alley with some bathroom access. Head through here, you got a bar, some shuffleboards, giant chest. Then if you go through this door, you get to the outside. But I think we can fit more. Starting off with the bowling alley. There is a clothing store. However, oh no, it doesn't fit. Luckily, we don't have space anywhere else. Wait, hold on. Maybe if we interact with Life of Pi. Alright, so going down here. Wait a second. I got an idea. Yeah. Wait. What do you mean can't build there? I didn't get any money. Where'd my engine go? Why can't I move it? Okay. Hey. So we're not gonna fit a retail store there, but let's actually see what our rating is. It's pretty good, but let's see what our lowest thing is. Still decoration. And basic needs. Yeah, that's basic needs. Alright, so we're gonna start off on the entertainment level. You can see here the bowling alley. We got some stuff. So now heading. So we have things like bathrooms. Things here, which is pretty cool. And I think we're actually good. Good. Now we're gonna manage and get some passengers. We're gonna undock. Okay, now I'm gonna hit the bridge. We got our first people coming in. We don't have a lot of complaints right now. We don't have a lot of complaints. Oh, nice. We get free money. Alright. Let's quickly dock. Okay, that cost us a lot, but hopefully we make it back. Because we're going. Now, the easiest place to go is... We're going to try something new and go up here to Easberg. Right here. So goodbye, placeholder island 1. No. And we will be going now. And we gotta start turning. And now. It's okay. Hey, cause we gotta turn. And we might give the lower deck an upgrade, maybe. Right, maybe. Yeah, we have officially left Placeholder Island 1. Ugly name. Ugly name right now. Who agrees with that's an ugly name? Okay. We're going a little over. We need to turn. I want to get the perfect harbor angle pre-set up. He's set up here. Here, okay. Hey. Yeah, that's good. Let's stop the turn in there. There. Alright. Welcome. We are headed straight up. And we should see iceberg. And then from iceberg, maybe in the next video, we're going to do a cruise all the way down on here to Placeholder Island 2, which is quite far away. So we should... Alright. 8 here. 8 here. Here, alright. 8. So welcome on board the cruise. It is 6:30, which means everyone's gonna be up here. Who wakes up at 6:30? Okay. Let's see, we got literally nobody in the entertainment section. But we don't actually have a lot of complaints. That's good. No complaints. They're just like, okay, they're just all like chill. Nice. That is hopefully gonna increase our heating. Yeah, decoration is also increasing, which is good. Yeah, that's those things. There's basic needs, and then it's variety. Now, I think we got Alright, so what do we got? We got food, we got cabins, I think what we need is a shop. We need a shop. A shop is what we need, that retail store. Here. Wait, hold on a second. I'll come up with an idea here. Here, can we build walls outside? Oh, what? We can do that? We don't need all this space, so I'm gonna just extend it real quick. You can start to the point where you can yeah, we can finally expand the area. Let's go. Oh, we're gonna expand it and look unique, okay? And finally we got here, but up here we can't place a taco stand. Oh! What the heck? Guys, I think we might have room for the retail store, which is gonna be pretty cool. Well, cause you know it's a retail store. We like retail stores anyways. So we're just gonna build a wall. Like we don't. Alright, sadly we can't place a roof on it. The good thing is can we place a clothing store? Alright. So where's the entrance here? I think we need to place it. Ooh! We got the retail store. Hello, everybody. We have officially got the retail store. Now, I want to connect them because this floor just ain't working. Alright. So that's hopefully gonna increase our rating. We are also going to delete Maybe I should not have done that. But we should. But I am gonna delete these. We're gonna leave it as like a unique area. Besides, we don't really need all that. We need an area to the taco stand so that it can have boundary. So yeah. Alright, so what are we gonna... Alright, this would also be the perfect level for something cool over here. Here, let's get, we're gonna go ahead and get, that's a glass door, and place it on this area. Now I'm wondering, so yeah, basically we have now officially got a retail store, and wait a second, I think we found it. I don't see iceberg anywhere though. But I think when we see it, we should maybe start turning. Actually, a little turning won't hurt. And what time is it? It must be pretty late. Hey, it's only 2:44. Nice. Alright, now let's stop. Turn the boat. And okay, nice. Alright, so alright, what do we put over here? Let's see if we can find something that can hopefully increase it there. Wait a second. A pool? Wait a minute. We could theoretically place a pool in here. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna do it. Oh yeah, we need room on the deck below. So the pool thing, we could just do the pool right over here. And I'm trying to place it where I wanna. I'm trying to place it where it has room on the deck below. But the game needs like it to be needs room on the deck. But okay. So I don't think we can do a pool, but that doesn't mean we can't do something in here. So what can we find? That is kind of unique. Maybe a sunbathing area. No. We could have let's just have two hot tubs. So this is our boat, and there's the port. We are officially arriving at the port. Sadly, we're not making a lot of money back. Now, something that I think we should do is try. Alright, what are the closest islands in the game? It's probably Alright, but there's also some weird ones. Placeholder on 2, I don't know. Alright. Or anyways, we're headed right into Eisenberg, Erdem. Alright. But I haven't even talked about what we're gonna do up here. We can't place roofs though. Because if we go to floors, yeah, it's not. So we have an outdoor retail store, I guess. Yes, it's still better than no retail store. Although they could add some more stuff, but they could potentially add some more types of stores in the future. Sure, right? Right? Okay, nice. Nice. I'm gonna jump on this guy. Ooh! Oh, he actually went away? Okay. Yeah, I don't know. Alright, good news! Good news, everybody. I got good news. Who's right now? Our ratings have gone up for decoration, so now we are almost 3 stars. But it's still the thing we're worst at. But that's a good thing because this isn't that bad. Alright. We got $14,000. Okay, now that's nice. Nice. Nice here. No, we gotta. Well, we have lowered our speed and. No, I think. Uh-oh. There's. Nope. Alright, we're gonna dock. And unload, and we made an extra $1,000. Alright, now that is going to be the end for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.